Welcome to Amazing Growth. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Hello everyone. Let's learn how to read three-letter words. We'll say each sound and read the whole word. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first word is cat. Let's break it down. C says ka, A says ah, P says ta. Now, let's blend the sounds. Ka, ah, ta, cat. Cat. Yeah! Our next word is dog. Let's break it down. D says da, O says aw, G says ga. Now, let's blend the sounds. Da, aw, ga, dog. Dog. Yeah! Now let's read hat. Let's break it down. H says ha, A says ah, T says ta. Now, let's blend the sounds. Ha, ah, ta, hat. Hat. Yeah! Let's read bed. Let's break it down. B says ba, E says D says da. Now, let's blend the sounds. Ba, da, bed. Bed. Yeah! Next is pen. Let's break it down. P says pa, A says ah, N says na. Now, let's blend the sounds. Pa, ah, na, pen. Pen. Yeah! Here comes mop. Let's break it down. M says ma, O says aw, P says pa. Now, let's blend the sounds. Ma, ah, ba, mop. Mop. Yeah! Ready for the word sun. Let's break it down. S says sa, U says N says na. Now, let's blend the sounds. Sa, na, sun. Sun. Yeah! Let's read rat. Let's break it down. R says ra, A says ah, T says ta. Now, let's blend the sounds. Ra, ah, ta, rat. Rat. Yeah! Good job! Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you. Bye.